Well, welcome back, Trojans. It is I, Coach AG, back with another video. Well, okay, it's my first video of the year. But anyway, I wanted to welcome you back to class. I'm teaching Business Information Management 1 and 2. I'm also teaching Professional Communications, and then 8th period I have debate. I just wanted to let you know a little bit about myself, the daily procedures, and to tell you what we're trying to accomplish this year. So the first thing is a little bit about me. This is my 26th year in teaching, and it is also my 26th year at Newman Smith. So I've been here for quite a while. It's in my blood. I'm a Trojan at heart, and I hope you are too. If you're not, I hope that you will learn to follow our lead and be a good Trojan. Also, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the daily procedures and what you might encounter. First of all, I think it's going to be a frustrating year for some of us because of the technology involved, and that applies to both the teacher and the student. So don't worry so much about the frustrations. We're going to work through these things together. In terms of daily procedures, you're going to go into Canvas. From Canvas, you will be able to find my course for the period that you are in. And then you will click on Cisco WebEx, which is where you will have a link to my class. So from Canvas, go to Cisco WebEx and then click on the virtual attendance meeting that we will be having. That's how I can take attendance every day. Try to have some headphones. I don't use them. I don't know what your home situation is, but headphones are useful sometimes. I just don't have a lot of noise here, so I don't have to. The other thing that I would say is get ready to row the boat. And by that, I mean get ready to problem solve. In this world of technology, and certainly during the pandemic, these are all skills that every one of us needs to practice and get better at. Some of us are farther ahead than others on the technology, but I just want you to know that we're going to work on this together and come out stronger on the other side. So I look forward to seeing you guys in class. I am really excited to start this year. I've been teaching this summer virtually at debate camp, and I went to debate nationals. So I have a little bit of experience, and hopefully I will be able to make your lessons interesting and that we will be able to work together to make you into a stronger Trojan scholar and meet your needs in terms of education and do the very best that we can to have a good time along the way. So I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. Take care, and I'll see you then.